Hi everyone, in today's quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to change your location on Google Chrome in under 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, open up Google Chrome on your computer. To change your location, we'll be using Chrome settings and some basic tools. Ready? Let's go. Click on the three-dot menu at the top right corner and select Settings. Now, scroll down to the Privacy and Security section and click on Site Settings. On the content, you'll see Location. Click on that to open location settings for sites in Chrome. Here you can toggle the location settings. You can either allow or block websites from tracking your location. But if you want to manually set a different location, follow this next step. Now you'll need to install a Chrome extension that lets you change your location, like Location Guard. Go to the Chrome Web Store, search for Location Guard and click Add to Chrome. Once installed, click on the location guard icon on top right to use fixed location. You can then enter any address or coordinates that you want. Now your location is changed, websites will detect the new location that you set instead of a real one. And that's it. Now you know how to change the location on Google Chrome. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and be sure to subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.